Hello friends, today my video is in continuation with triangles and I will be describing different types of triangles based on sides. So watch my video till the end. Types of triangles. How do we classify triangles? They are classified into two categories. First category based on sides, second category based on angles. Today in my video I will be describing first category based on sides. Sides are classified by length of their sides. Let's see how. First type of triangle is a triangle which has all sides equal to each other. To show they are equal, the same mark each of the sides tells us all the three sides are equal. Such type of triangles are known as equilateral triangle. Please note that word by itself tells you equi means equal and lateral means sides. Second type of triangle is a triangle which has two sides equal. To show two sides are equal, the same mark of the two sides tells us only two sides are equal. Such type of triangles are known as isosceles triangles. Please note, for isosceles triangle, any of the two sides can be equal. Third type of triangle is a triangle which has all sides unequal or different in length. To show all three sides are unequal, the different marks of all the sides tells us they are unequal. Such type of triangles are known as scalene triangles. Please note, for scalene triangles, no two sides are equal or length of each side is different from the other side. So today we learned about these three triangles as classified based on sides. In my next video, I will be describing second category of triangle based on angle. So do not forget to watch my next video, and for more updates on other videos, request you to subscribe my channel AG Mix. You may like and share this video to maximum children for understanding about triangles. Hope you enjoyed and learned a lot.